Yo, good evening, Benv FX lover. Good evening, my lovely people. This is, the weekend have passed. This is a new week from Sunday to Saturday, and from the Sunday to Saturday, yeah, it's a new week. This is a new week. We want to do a top-down analysis. This is your guy, Benv FX. Let me first of all introduce myself. You understand? Today is all about top-down analysis. We are going to do a top-down analysis of all the players that we love, you understand, both from you guys and my own. What's the problem? I don't want any problem at all. I don't want any network issue. What's this? What's all this? What's the problem is all about? All right. So just as I'm saying, it's a guy by VFX. This particular time, I promise to do this particular live video in the morning around 9 a.m. You understand, down to 12. But unfortunately, if you plan, God plan, and it's to follow God own. You understand, and there is no light. You understand, there is no light for me to come on live video, man. Like I just the reason this thing, light no come till around this evening, you understand, before they bring light for us. So that's the reason why I just say let me just start it early so that we'll end it early, you understand. So now I'm going to share my screen automatically, and I'll be waiting for your own favorite pair, you understand. Just tell me your own favorite pair, then I'll analyze it for you. You guys know we'll do a top down analysis, make sure everybody understand it from A to Z, you understand. And if I'm doing that top down analysis and technical analysis and there's any way you are confused, just let me know through the comment section. I respond to every comment, either you are watching live or you are watching after the live video. Just drop your comments. Your comment is number one priority for me, you understand. I respond to it because I don't know what you're facing, I don't know what you're passing through, so you might like maybe like need my reply, you understand. So I don't take comments for granted. That is number one thing that I always do. Check all my channel, check all my videos. I don't take comment for granted. I make sure I respond to every comment, you understand. What you ask, I'm going to respond to you like your own point of view. If you like suggest anything, I'm going to like answer to every comment. Good evening, my bro. Analyze gold. No, don't like straight ahead, bro. And gold is part of my favorite pair. So all you need to do is to just stay around. Let me share my screen, then we'll fire on. You understand? Today is just top down analysis, how to do weekly top down analysis with Benv FX, and that's all we are going to do. All you need to do is like just be dropping your own favorite pair, you understand. Then I'll be following it one after the other, you understand. One after the other I'll be following it, break it down from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. So now I'm going to share my screen real quick because there's no time. I'm going to share my screen real quick with you guys. You understand? Real quick. I'll analyze gold. I'll analyze Euro USD and JP USD. Then any other one that follow, I will just be following it gradually until I answer to everybody. You understand? Because I take your comments very serious, because I don't know what you are passing through. I don't know the phase you are. I don't know what how the struggle is for you. So I follow comments one after the other. You understand? I do not take any comments for granted. Never. That's not my line. That's not my line, bro. I don't take any comment for granted. I make sure I respond to every comment. And only thing you need to do is just please help like and subscribe to the channel so that the community will be big. That's the only thing, you understand. Then I'll try and make sure I do my best. Please include nas 100 too. Don't worry, no need of list. I'm going to do just your favorite pair is okay, man, bro. Don't worry. Sapi 04. Don't worry, I'm with you, my guy. You understand? I'm with you. It's like I'm even seeing your name for the first time. I don't know if you're just coming across this particular channel. This is a community where we like rub mind together. You understand? My people never even come. You understand, but it's like I'm seeing your name for the first time, and you're active, you're aggressively active. I love that, my brother. I love that. I've opened my trading view already. Let me just share screen. You understand? Let me just share screen real quick, real quick, real quick. Like I'm seeing your name here for the first time. Is it your first time coming across this particular channel? Is this your first time coming across this particular channel? Please let me know, my bro. Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. Because I've been doing this for how many months now straight, every like almost all the time. You understand? Almost all the time. What is it? What? Okay, yeah. Add to stage. Yep. This is it. If you can see my screen, just let me know that you can see my screen, please. If you can see my screen clean and clear, just let me know that you can see my screen. Just let me know, let me know, let me know. On the comment section, let me know that you can see my screen. If you can see it, just let me know that you can see my screen so that I'll fire on. So that I'll fire on. Let me know that you can see my screen so that I'll know that yes, the screen is showing and you can see it clean and clear, because I have no any other phone watching it. Yes, I can see it. I can see your screen. All right, that's very great. That's very great. Okay, 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 okay. There you say go. This is Ethereum analysis that we'll do. This is an Ethereum analysis that we'll do. Like if you go to the higher time frame, you're gonna see it. But that's not the reason why we're here, man. And that's not the reason why we are here. So I'm going to like Ethereum is still going down. Mm. I refuse to tap on this particular resistance level before it's giving this bearish engulfing candle. But nevertheless, that's not the reason why we're here. I'm going to turn off this particular notification. Like it's been disturbing me. What is this now? What is this? Mute notification. Mute. It's up. I beg. Mute. I beg. Don't remind me again. Mute. Notification, notification, notification. So I'm going to like XAUSD real quick, my brother. SAUUSD, it won't go far. Okay, it will not be, it will not go far. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see, let's see. Okay, this is XAUSD on our screen. Is XAUSD on our screen. XAUSD is just struggling for this particular support level over how many days now? Well, let me just say one. This is the candlestick that tapped the support level. This is even the candlestick that tapped the support level, but this one is an aggressive candlestick on the daily time frame. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 days straight consolidation around this particular support level. But we are going to do a top-down analysis, break it from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame so that everybody will understand. You get. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to delete every drawing on the chart, then we'll start it at fresh. Okay, this is daily time frame. As is it? Yeah, this is daily time frame. Break with this daily time frame, this daily time frame, this daily time frame. Then I don't know if you can see it very clear. I don't know if you can see it very clear. I don't know. Is the network, is it skipping on your end there or it's working normal? Hope everything is working normal on your end. On your side, I hope everything is working normal. There is no skipping. The video is not skipping and the rest. Please let me know, because I want you to get everything. If you are having any issue, like maybe you are not hearing me or there is any issue at all, okay, it's clear. That's very great. If there's any issue at all, just let me know so that I'll fix it real quick, because I'll not like it if I'll be explaining and you guys will not be hearing me. You get. Then this is it here. Let me continue. The market come to this particular support level. First of all, before the market is even doing this consideration around this particular area, this is, let's go to weekly time frame, because this is a weekly analysis. You understand? This weekly time frame analysis. Let's know the direction, the overall direction of the market. You get. So the market take a rest from this particular all-time high down to this particular area on the lower time frame, like that kind. 1 hour time frame, you see that the market tap on a support level around this particular area before we are seeing this particular pin bar. After the pin bar, the market take an aggressive move on the weekly time frame to this particular area. Do you know what the market went and do? It went and fill one particular fair value gap on a daily time frame, and I'm going to show you that. You get, after that, it come down, and the following week, which is the week that will just end, close like this. So we don't know what is going to happen, but after we do the top-down analysis, I'm going to predict exactly what is going to happen from the lower time frame. But on the higher time frame, the market tap on this, come down to this particular area, then I'll not call anything a support level here, but I'll show you the support level where the market is responding from, where the market is reacting from this particular area on a daily time frame. You understand? Then after the market tap on the support level on the daily time frame, it shift up, you understand, then give this particular pin bar, then this particular and take an aggressive move to the upside, then sellers push it down again before we are seeing this bearish candle, but just like pin bar, you understand, pin bar, pin bearish bar, you understand. So now you have seen the direction of the market, you see what the market has been doing from the weekly time frame. You go to your daily time frame, you understand, as a day trader or a swing trader or a scalper, you understand. Once it's weekly, once it's end of the week, before the week open, before the week open, all you need to do is to do your top down analysis from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame, so that you know what to be expecting. You mark your major support and a resistance level out. Once you know the direction of the market from the higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame, you come down to the lower time frame, which is daily time frame, know the direction of the market, know the reaction of the market from that, from daily support or resistance level. Then you go to your 4 hour time frame and mark a support and resistance level. The reason why I always recommend 4 hour time frame is because that is where market, that is the support level market like respect for both swing trader, day trader and scalpers, you understand. Once a scalper get an entry from from 4 hour major support level, it can hold it the whole day, you understand. And once it's a swing trader get an entry on a 4 hour support level, he or she can hold it till maybe a whole day. Once a swing trader get an entry on a 4 hour support level, he or she can hold it for the whole week. You understand, depending on how strong your strategy and your strategy is, and how strong your strategy work out, you understand. That is going to depend on how long you are going to hold the trade. You get. So I recommend 4 hour support and resistance level for both swing trader, day trader and scalpers. But scalpers can use lower time frame, depends on the type of candlestick they are using, you understand, to mark their support and resistance level out. Hope you guys are hearing me. Hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. Please, I don't want to be explaining and you guys are not getting value. I don't like that, bro. Man, I don't like that. I don't like that, because what I do here, I voice, like I talk everything in details. In everything that I know in this particular industry, I said it in details. You understand? For everybody, both newbie, like beginners or an advanced level, or even a pro trader will come here and confirm it that yes, this person is not talking trash. You understand? I'm not here to like mislead anybody. I'm here to share my knowledge that I've been gathered for over for complete 4 years now, because this November will make it 4 years that I started this journey, bumper to bumper, no day off and the rest. You understand? So let's dive into it. This is daily time frame. You understand? This is daily time frame. Let me see if we have any. Okay, hello, sir. Rex, you're highly welcome, my brother. You're highly welcome. Your present is filled. Your present is filled. All right, my bro. Sapi, you are getting value. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And that is my greatest joy. You understand? That is my greatest joy. When you are getting value, that is my greatest joy. You understand? So this is it here. Let me go to so that let's dive into the main analysis. The market, this is where the market is reacting from on the weekly time frame that I showed you guys. This is the minor support. This is the major support level is a support level. I will not call it minor because this type of candlestick have a strong impact on the chart. You understand? Market respect chart respect this type of candlestick. Let me expand it so that you guys will see it well, so that you will not go and be neglecting it on your chart. You understand? So that you not go and be neglecting it on your chart. Do you see this particular oh my god, do you see this particular candlestick that happens, then market will take an aggressive move, then move all the way to the upside? E have a strong impact on the chart. Whenever the market come to this particular area, this type of area, there must be a reaction. And even as I'm saying, you see this particular place, whenever XAUSD break down and come to this particular area, there must be a reaction, there must be a consolidation or a retracement to the upside, because once you see this particular red candle, means there is a strong bargain between a seller and a buyer, and buyers take over. So whenever market come to that particular area where there is a strong bargain between buyers and sellers, there must be a there must be a respect to that particular zone. Means that zone is a zone where two elephants fight. You understand? And whenever you come to where two elephants fight, you must know, because grass and everything that is around there, trees that is around there will suffer. You understand? That is how this type of candlestick be. You understand? This is a red candlestick. Sellers are trying to take over from buyers, and buyers overpower them. You understand? There's a lot of fight around this particular area. You get? So that's the reason why the market come to this particular area, tap on this particular zone, move up immediately, give us this particular aggressive engulfing candle. Now, since we see this particular aggressive engulfing candle, the market gives something like a W pattern from this particular support level, then it move up. And this is the fair value gap that I said that the market take an aggressive move on the weekly time frame to come and fill. You understand? This is the fair value gap here. You understand? This is the fair value gap that the market fill before we see that it take a sharp move to the downside. You get? And where the market is right now, where exactly the market is right now? The market is on this particular inner support level. You understand? The market is on this particular inner support level. If you are doing your top down analysis, you need to like deep out every particular angle. You understand? You need to like deep out every particular angle. Why the market is moving? Why the market is consolidating? What exactly is making this market to be consolidating around this area? Which candlestick have this particular influence that is pushing this market, that is restricting this market from moving to the downside or moving to the upside? You need to know what exactly is happening there, because do you know what? Candlestick that you are seeing is the only language the market speak. You understand? This candlestick that you are seeing like this on the chart is the only language market speak. And me, I'm just a pure price action guy. Look at the charts, know the reaction of the buyers and the seller, know when buyers are taking over, know when sellers are taking over, and follow along, play along. You understand? That's what I do. But I take my trade using 15 minutes candlestick. Simple as that. But I'll make sure I do my top down analysis to do a thoroughly top down analysis. You understand? That's how I do. You understand? During the weekend. And since I step out of a struggles in trading, I say let me come up with this particular channel. Then I'll be sharing my idea and my knowledge with people who are coming. You understand? With those who are coming, who might be struggling with one thing or the other. That is the reason for everything I'm doing on this particular channel. And this channel is just like a community, it's just like a family. You understand? Once we meet, we share ideas together. Nobody is perfect, you understand? Nobody is perfect. That's the reason why you can see that even our top traders, they have lost. You understand? They even get a time that they entered losing streak. And these people that I'm telling you, they have been in the game for over, let me just say 9, 10, 12, 11 years. You understand? So for you to know that whatever you are doing on your chart, you are very, very correct. The only thing that is keeping you down is discipline, patience, and maybe your strategy. You are jumping from one strategy to another. But once you are disciplined, you stick to one particular strategy. That's just all. So let's go. No time for talking too much. Hope you guys are enjoying this particular live. I don't want taste of mystery, my guy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, here, bro. Man, I see you. I see you. I see you. I lost that trade, but small risk. Thank God. But it's painful. But me, I know you know what exactly you are doing. You know, there is loss and there is profit. You understand? Just only thing you need to like be very, very cautious of is let your profit more than your loss. Everything, anytime you come, like if like week is starting like this, all you need to put in your at the back of your mind is I'm going to end this week in profit. I'm going to end this week in profit. I'm going to end this week in profit. That's what you need to be telling yourself, my guy. You understand? Everybody watching me, once week is starting, once we are about to enter the new week, just tell yourself, make it a compulsory for you to end the week in profit. You understand? Make it a compulsory for yourself to end the week in profit. If you make it a compulsory, person like me, this is the that like last week that just ended is the straight 15 week now that I've been ending in profit. You understand? And I keep showing it in any of my video that I post. All this hundred road to $100,000 video that I post, no any of that particular post that I will do that I will not show my last 3 months history, last month history, and last week history. You understand? I show it regardless. I showed it. You understand? Even if the week that even if you end the week in a small profit, but just please hold it at the back of your mind. Once you make it a mandatory that I'm going to end this particular week in profit, your spirit will be reminding you of what you're supposed to be doing. You understand? Your spirit, your mind, your discipline will skyrocket, and you get your spirit, your mind, everything will skyrocket, and you end the week in profit. That is what is I've been using to challenge myself. And this is the last week is the 15th week straight in profit. You understand? So please make it, take that particular decision and stick to that. Please, 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 please. So the next trade, if it swing, I will recover triple. Okay, but please know what exactly, and see, I'll not even need to tell you because you know what exactly you are doing already. You understand? Let me see our princess is here. Princess Dato, good evening, fam. Good evening, Dato. It's been a while. You forget to ask of me. You forget to ask of me. But no problem, I forgive you. Mystery, taste of mystery, taste of mystery, taste of mystery. I'm getting used to loss, so it doesn't matter when I get a win, I will recover as far ending profit at the end of the week. You should not put pressure on ending the week in profit. You shouldn't be putting pressure in ending the week in profit, but you're supposed to have it in your mind. Once you put it in your mind, you like it will keep reminding you, my brother. It will keep your mind will keep reminding you. You understand? So you will not be taking an unnecessary trade, my brother. Not that you are doing anything wrong. I'm just advising every other people. You understand? Because that's what have been working for me for the past 15th week now. You get anything that is working for me, there is no way I'm going to hide it from anybody here. You guys are my family. You guys are my like you guys are my family. I just take you guys as my family and my friend. Family and friends, that's what we are. You understand? So I need to like open everything for you guys. You get, even if it is just a small win that you have during the weekend, that's just all. Celebrate it, but just celebrate it within yourself, not to like you get. So that just it, bro. That just it. That just it. Me, I know you're an experienced trader. Just that I just dey talk my thing to encourage every other people. No, not because of you. You are an experienced trader. You are an agba trader already. So I'm saying that now to encourage other upcoming traders and maybe somebody who might just come across this particular channel for the first time, to encourage them to know to put the right mindset in their brain so that they will know what to be like thinking about. Reading it, like a lot of things. We are going to discuss a lot of things, but I'm doing analysis on XAUSD. Let me not make my brother a sapi to like forget the where I've reached. You understand? So please let me know if you're active. Let me know if you're active. Sapi, let me know if you're active. Please let me know. Let me know. Let me. And if you're enjoying this particular live, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Then turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm coming to live video, you will be notified. You understand? Live video, that is where you see me face to face, and you even have a chance of requesting to show your face and give other people very active. All right, I'm coming, my bro. I'm coming. Thank you so much for being active. This is a place, this is just a family. This is just a family and friends channel where you can even request to join me live, and I will send you a link. You understand? I'll send you a guest link, and you come on the live video. You come, everybody will be seeing you, and you give your own advice to the upcoming traders. And I want to make this channel a friendly channel for everybody to be benefiting from. Every beginner trader to have a voice, every beginner trader to like comment, then you respond to. You get? I respond to every comment regardless. You get? So my president say something. How you doing now? I don't miss the live stream. I know, no, no, see, you don't miss, and like you miss it, like you miss the live stream tire. You miss it tire. Even me, I noticed, but sha, it's all good, it's all good, it's all good. We have been doing well. You understand? We have been doing well. We have been doing well. God is great. God is being faithful, man. Like, bro, God is being faithful. God is being faithful. But you guys will hear the good news, man. Now you guys are gonna hear the good news when it land. When the good news land, you guys are going to hear it. You guys are going to hear it. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Maybe it might not land today, it might not land tomorrow, but it will land very, very soon. Man. All right, very active. Okay, okay, okay. Oh yeah, let's go to the analysis. Let's go to the analysis. Let's go to the analysis. Yo. So the market reach this particular fair gap and take aggressive to this particular level. You understand? As the market come to this particular inner support level, what pattern exactly are you seeing for this particular support level? Although the market did not give us a bullish engulfing candle, but what pattern the market is trying to create? Maybe Monday, Tuesday, we are going to see the clean pattern of this particular chart. You understand? The clean pattern the market is trying to give us. Like for me now, like this, the pattern the market is trying to give us, since I have not seen any bearish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, and the market is trying to like do something like a double bottom, this might be the pattern the market is going to give us. Let me show you guys. This is an inner support level, right? Then the market move up here before we see any push to the downside or break to the upside. You understand? This is exactly what I've been seeing. Like this is exactly what comes to my mind when the market is consolidating from this particular inner support level. You understand? I don't know how you guys are seeing it, but this is what I'm seeing. Understand? Maybe Monday, Tuesday, the market might like we'll see a bearish engulfing candle on Monday. Then maybe from this particular support level, Tuesday candlestick might close engulf. You understand? And once that particular Tuesday candlestick close engulf, means we are going to see a massive move to the upside, maybe to this particular double top, to make the market to make a double top here before the market to take the right decision, either break to the downside or break above it to the upside. But if the market make a double top and the market move like this to make a double top, there will not like the market cannot be able to like create another all-time high. Regardless, the market cannot be able to like create another all-time high, because the way the market will move from here, manage itself to reach this particular area, it should not be easy for the market to break above this particular resistance level. Do you know why? This is a strong bearish engulfing candle. I know, regardless, regardless of this particular strong bearish engulfing candle, if you see a strong bullish engulfing candle and the market reach here, come down a bit, gather momentum. If the market reach here, come down a bit, gather momentum, and we'll see a strong bullish engulfing candle, it might be upside. You understand? This is exactly what we are going to see. But Monday, Tuesday, we are going to see the redirection of this particular XAUSD. But regardless, before that time, let me go to 4-hour time frame, because we'll do the top down analysis from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. Now I've do weekly time frame. We know the direction of the market. The market is trying to go to the downside, but regardless, the market moved from one minor support, major support level on the daily time frame, but minor support level on the weekly time frame. Then e went and fill a fair value gap. After the market fill that particular fair value gap, had it been the market to break to the downside, this particular inner support level could have been broken since, you understand, taken to the downside, maybe make a double bottom, retest a resistance level here, then break to the downside. But nevertheless, the market have not, time have not go yet, you understand. But let's look closely and see how the market will behave Monday and Tuesday, you understand. We'll see the reaction of the market on Monday, we'll see the reaction of the market on Tuesday before we predict the long-term gain, you understand, before we predict the market for swing traders and position traders. I don't know, you understand, but for we will be normal day traders and scalpers, oh boy, nothing really concern us. So if the market want, let it dance from today till tomorrow, we'll be catching our move regardless, you get. So this is it here, this is 4-hour time frame, you understand, this is 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, exactly what are you seeing? What exactly are you seeing on the 4-hour time frame? The market is trying to, like, as the market come to this particular inner support level, it give us this particular bullish engulfing candle, take a move, break above this particular minor resistance level, then come down again, trying to make a double bottom. Then after the market tap on this support level again, it give us another strong bullish engulfing candle before we are seeing this bearish candle. This bearish candle might come down a bit, you understand, then come down, take out this particular bullish engulfing candle, then maybe make a clean double bottom before we see another strong bullish engulfing candle from this particular support level to the upside, you understand. But let's see how it's going to be. The market is forming a W pattern already, but there's no any liquidity grab yet. Once we see a liquidity grab and that particular candlestick close bullish and it engulf, oh boy, just enter your trade immediately, you understand. This is 4-hour time frame. Then once you know that the market, you mark your support and resistance level from the 4-hour time frame, but the ones that will mark from the weekly from the daily time frame correspond with the one on daily time, correspond with daily time frame, and the one that will mark on the daily time frame correspond with the 4-hour time frame. So there is no need to mark any support and resistance level anymore, you get. So this is the support and the resistance level, and where exactly the market is presently, the market is on this particular support level, so this is where our eyes will be, you understand. So that we'll be targeting, like, the market will tell us what exactly will happen from this particular support level. Just be patient until the strategy you use to take your trade tell you that, okay, this is the time for buy or this is the time for sell. And anything that will make the market break below this particular support level and close below it on the 4-hour time frame means the market is going to break below this particular support level to the downside. Because you know why? There's a strong consolidation around this particular area, and once the market break below this particular consolidation, it will either send the market down to one major support level, either this particular area or this particular area. This one cannot hold it when the market break above this particular consolidation. So hold that in your mind. And likewise, the way it should behave to the upside, once it break above this particular resistance level with this particular consolidation, the reason why I've not said the market will retrace from this particular resistance level, is because the market, once it break above this particular consolidation, it will break immediately to do a double top here. You understand? So as the market is on this particular support level, all you need to do now on XAUSD, go to your execution time frame and wait for your strategy to play out. Then you follow what your strategy tell you. But the market is on a major support level and is trying to form a W pattern. And whenever a market form a W pattern, all you should be expecting is a buy to the upside. That is my own honest opinion. You get? Thank you so much. Let me see another pair that will analyze. If you understand this particular simple top down and technical analysis, please let me know, let me know real quick on the comment section. Please let me know, and don't forget to like. Please keep liking the video so that YouTube recommend it to more people. Please, 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 please. And if you understand the analysis, the simple top down and technical analysis that we do, please let me know. Let me know. I'm glad you are aware. I have news to share. I have clear phase 2 of my challenge with Equity Edge, and I will be getting the live account on Tuesday. I will send you a picture on WhatsApp. Wow! Congratulations, my princess. I know you are my princess. Like Forest princess, my dear, you are very, very genuine, and that is what I love about you. See, this girl, when I just leave this girl, JJ, this girl know what exactly she's saying. Oh God, you guys don't know this girl. That too, princess, that too. Oh my God, I tell you guys, see, all my viewers are very intelligent and experienced traders. So the more you stay with this particular channel, the more wiser you'll be getting inside this particular financial market. That is just it. Period. Man, period. I'm the one telling you. Benv FX is the one telling you, man. Okay. How far guy? Kelly FX, John. How you doing, my bro? How you doing? You're highly welcome. Your present is filled, my bro. Your present is filled. Happy new week. You understand? We have entered new week. Traders will be very, very happy because when week is coming to an end like this, I know beginner traders and traders will be like, let's this week just pass, just let this week just pass, just let this week just pass, just. That's what they will be doing. You understand? Thank you, my bro. You're highly welcome. Kelly FX. Remove this John. I don't know why you are like, why you add the John, my brother. Remove this John so that it will be Kelly FX. Direct, man. I'll not add that John, no. You might like the John, but me, I'll not add the John for you. It will be Kelly FX. You understand? Man, it's very, very great. It's a great name, my bro. It's a great name. Let me just say another question. NASDAQ. All right, I'm coming to NASDAQ real quick. Then, which one again? Gladman, God day. Nice analysis, boss. Keep going. Regardless, my brother. Regardless, Gladman. Regardless. You know me now. I never back down, bro. I'm supposed to start this particular live stream since 9 a.m. but there's no light, bro. As if they know what exactly I'm going to do today. I for do a marathon today, bro. I for do a marathon because I prepare for it since yesterday. I say I'm going to like start this particular live stream 9 a.m. sharp. Then I'll date till the Lord leads. Till God say, Benv, oh yeah, go and rest. You get? But unfortunately, there's no light. I have to like bend it till evening. You understand? All right. So let me see. That our brother, Sapi say we should analyze Nasdaq. So Sapi, please tell me first. Do you get the analysis I do on gold? Please. I don't want to like analyze them. If there's anywhere you get confused, please let me know real quick so that I'll brush through it real quick. If you understand the analysis on gold, please let me know. Then please, you guys should please keep pumping the like, man, so that YouTube recommend it to more people. Please, I beg. Please, Benv FX, I beg you people, my family, my lovers, my family and friend, you understand? So please keep pumping the like. So that YouTube will recommend it to more people. Please, and if you are interested, if you ever want, like if you ever craving for forex knowledge, then this is the right place for you to be, because everything, every knowledge is going to be shared free of charge, and your comment is going to be responded to. You understand? Your comment is going to be responded to. You guys, so please, that one, just hold that at the back of your mind, that I valued your comments. I valued your comments. I valued your comments more than anything. So drop whatever you want me to do for you so that we'll fire on. Man, I'm not here to just do what I want. I'm here to do what you guys want. All right, sir, please say, yeah, bro, the analysis is sharp and aligned with what I'm seeing. Thank you, my brother, for confirming it that it's sharp, man. It's sharp. It's sharp. It's sharp. When something is sharp, you know what it is. It can cut anything, man. Means we are winning. You are going to, like, don't worry, everything will be fine, my brother. Sapi. Oh, yeah, let me go to NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ, real quick, NASDAQ, real quick. NASDAQ. Let me clear this. NAS 100. NAS 100. NAS 100. So this is it. Okay, this is NAS. On our screen here, this is NAS. You get? So what exactly are you seeing? This is daily time frame on NAS. Then first of all, we'll go to the weekly time frame. Let's see what NAS is doing. Man, let's see what NAS is doing, and let's see what NAS prepared for us this week. But what I'm saying, NAS is breaking to the downside. Exactly what I'm saying. NAS is breaking to the downside. But let's see the overall. Let's see what the weekly time frame is doing. NAS is breaking to the downside, but it's on a major support level. You guys see what I'm saying? NAS is breaking to the downside, but it's on a major support level. But the reason why this particular major support level will be somehow, is because of this bearish engulfing candle. You understand? Because of this bearish engulfing candle, and this candle, the market not like close above this particular candle. But regardless, let's mark the support level where the market is on the weekly time frame out first. Then after we mark the support level out, we'll go to the lower time frame, which is daily time frame. Then we'll see what the market is doing on the daily time frame. Then after we'll see what the market is doing on the daily time frame, then we'll go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see the reaction of the market from this particular support level, on this particular weekly major support level. If the market will move from the downside to the upside, maybe to any resistance level, then we'll see. And if the market will move sharply to the downside, then we'll see. You understand? So we are going to mark a support level on the weekly time frame, and this is it here. This is a support level on the weekly time frame where the market is presently. You understand? Where NAS 100 is presently. You get? So this is it here. After we'll see, let me see. What? Okay, sharp, bro. Okay, that's very great. Then that to say what? Engulfing candle master. Lax is here. Lax is here. I know, and I feel your presence. Lax is here, and I feel your presence. You are welcome, my brother. You're welcome. That to say thanks. Abeg Benv, why is the live stream appearing twice on YouTube, both horizontal and vertical? Wetin happen? This is a very nice question, my dear. Are you going in and out? On the vertical, this is what YouTube just approved of recent last 2 weeks. You understand? Even me, the day I come across this particular thing come across this particular vertical and horizontal on it like for the first time. You understand? The day I come across this particular horizontal and vertical at the same time for the first time, I was very, very confused. You understand? I do a live video, and after the live on that particular live video, somebody complained that there is a vertical and there is a horizontal. Why is it like that, Benv? I said, oh, even me, I don't know if I come to do a live stream using this particular live stream. You understand? Using this particular platform, and this particular platform is like they have a relationship with YouTube. That is the reason why you can see that yes, this particular platform is not an anyhow platform. This is the platform that all these top streamers use on YouTube, but they will like delete the link the the platform will put under the description of this particular live stream. You understand? So me like this, when I was struggling to get a platform to be streaming for you guys, I searched everywhere. I had not seen any reasonable platform. I use OBS, e no work. I use normal YouTube, e didn't work. I use which other one? It no work before I come across this particular platform. And if you are a creator here and you want to be even both YouTube, Twitter and the rest, you can use this particular platform to do live stream with any kind of social media at all. You understand? I use this same laptop to do a live I use this particular platform to do live on my Facebook account. You understand? Either page or profile. You understand? You can use this particular platform to do this thing, live video, and you can share your screen. That is the craziest thing. You understand? So I come across the vertical and the vertical and the horizontal, and I make research. After I make research, I discover that yes, YouTube and this particular streaming platform, they come to an agreement so that both with phone, you understand, that I scroll through this thing, how is it called, short on YouTube, can come across your live stream. Either they might like what you're doing and the rest, you understand. Then those using a laptop or maybe their TV to watch live stream, they will recommend the horizontal to them. Then the vertical will be for those who are using their phone to watch shorts. You understand? So that's the explanation they give me. And I still not like, because I don't want to violate YouTube rules. Let it not be as if I upload two videos at the same time. I make a research on YouTube and I see and I discover on YouTube that yes, YouTube, as of last 2 weeks, getting to 3 weeks now, YouTube approve both horizontal and vertical live at the same time. You understand? That is when my mind calm down and I start using it. But it's not every time that I use it, you understand? But I use it so that every other person can just come across the channel. If they might like what we are doing here, then they will join. That is just the reason why I use it. YouTube approve it, you understand? And this particular streaming platform like contact YouTube to approve it. That's the reason why YouTube approve it. So it's not violate any particular rule. That is the reason why I'm using it. So you just stick to the one that you want. If it is the vertical, you stick to. If it is the horizontal you want, just, you understand, just switch to the one you want. That's just it. All of them is just the same thing. You understand? But YouTube approve it. There is no any violation about it. So that's the reason why you guys know I don't want to like go against anybody's. You guys know me that. So that's the reason why I'm using it like that. And if you are a creator watching me now and you like this particular streaming platform, check the description of any of my live stream, you are going to see the link of this particular streaming platform. Is very very okay, you understand? It's very very legit, it's very very okay, you understand? So you will like it, you will like it, you understand? You will like it, man. So yeah, let's go. That to thank you for observing this and bringing it to everybody's notice. Since I've like talk about it, everybody will understand why it's showing both vertical and maybe horizontal. If they recommend the horizontal for you, means your phone or your laptop might like anyone they recommend for you, just do it like that and just stick to it, and everything is the same. What is shown here is exactly what is shown here. That's just it. You get? Thank you. Lax, you say what? And Government Candle Master, I see you. Lax, I see you. Lax, very soon I'm going to change your name. Lax FX. Let all of us be FX to go, man. I love that, bro. I love that. No mind me, I'm just joking. Just hear the one that you want, bro. So let me see. Okay, that what you say. Oh, okay, I understand. Thank you for your understanding. So let's go. We are doing a top down analysis, both top and technical analysis on NAS 100. So let's continue because of our brother Kelly FX. Is it no, not Kelly, Sapi, because of our brother Sapi. You understand? So let's see. Let me see what Lax say. What is the name of the platform? Can it work on TikTok? I've never checked TikTok because I'm not too day active on TikTok, but like I've never want to be like doing streaming on TikTok yet. You understand? Just check the description of my video, then register with them, then check if there is TikTok. The ones that I've come across so far is X, which is the formerly known as Twitter, Facebook, which I use it for Facebook, but not so often. Then YouTube. YouTube is my house. That is where I have a family. You understand? So those are the ones that I know that this particular. But there are lots. I'm the one that has not pay attention to it. There are lots. Plenty. This thing platform that this particular streaming platform works with. You understand? And they told me that day when I'm trying to like do a streaming with my page that I have just 8 follower on Facebook with. They said the page have not yet reached the requirement, but they are in a contact with Facebook so that they will reduce the requirement for live stream so that anybody can do a live stream. That is the reason why you know that this particular platform for streaming is very very strong. You can use it for any particular social media handle. You understand? So let's fire on. Let me go. Drop your question. I mean, I'm very very active on the comment section. You understand? I don't want to leave any comment section behind. That's the reason why I check comment section time to time. You understand? But that shouldn't distract our top down analysis. You understand? So my brother Sapi, okay, this is where the market is on NAS 100. The market is on the major support level, and we are seeing a push from the major support level, but this push is not as aggressive as it should be. You understand? But regardless, we are going to the lower time frame. Let's see what the lower time frame is saying. You understand? But on the weekly time frame, the market is taking an aggressive move to the downside, and there's a support level that is restricting it to like take a little rest before it will break to the downside. You understand? Or move to the upside from this particular area. This is weekly time frame. Then we are going to lower time frame, which is daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, we are going to see a bigger picture of what the market is doing. You understand? We are still going to see a bigger picture of what the market is doing. This is the support level that I mark from the weekly time frame. And what exactly are you seeing? The market come to the support level and we are seeing a reaction. But before the market come to a support level, do you know what the market did? There's a support level here. Mm. there's a support level here where market trying to like move up from, you understand, but after the market take close engulf here, the market break it aggressively to the downside. Maybe what we are seeing is maybe the market will just retrace a bit, then we'll see another push to the downside, because this is a strong and a healthy bearish engulfing candle on a daily time frame, you understand. So what I'm saying is as if NAS 100 is trying to take a little rest to the downside, maybe to a major support level. If the market break this particular support level, then we are targeting the next major support level, and that will be around this particular area. Mhm. That will be around this particular area. Let me mark it out. That will be around this particular area. Maybe this particular area. You understand? Before we see any other thing, you understand. And there's another major support level here below that particular area. There's another major support level here, you understand. So just keep your eye on what NAS 100 is going to do. But presently, if you are a swing trader, let me see what the market is doing from the 4 hour time frame. If there is any bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, you can just enter your trade. If the market open and retrace a bit to the upside, you can just enter your trade for a sell. Put your stop loss above this particular resistance level, above this particular bullish bearish engulfing candle, you understand. Then you enter for a sell to the next resistance level, because this aggressive bearish engulfing candle to the downside is not a good sign that the market will go to the upside in anytime soon, you understand. So let's be guided. So let me go to 4 hour time frame and do the final analysis on the 4 hour time frame. So this is it here. This is 4 hour time frame. After the market take an aggressive move to the downside, what are you seeing? You understand? And is on a support level as well. You understand? It's on a support level. What exactly are you seeing? The market give this particular bullish engulfing candle, and whenever I see a bullish engulfing candle, it gingers me. You understand? But whenever a market is on a is in a downtrend, don't be fooled, and don't let bullish engulfing candle blind you to think the market have changed its direction to the upside. No, until you see that the market break a major resistance level, then retest it, and you see a bullish engulfing candle from that particular retest that the market do, before you take any bullish engulfing candle that you see very serious, you understand. And this is 4 hour time frame. We are seeing this particular bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, and this particular close bullish as well, you understand. So this is a resistance level. The market is on the resistance level. What is this? Who's calling me? How can you call me like at this particular time? Who's this? Who's this now? Mr. Kenny. Oh my god. Mr. Kenny. Sorry, my bro, I'm on a live video. Sorry.
Yeah, so no, I want to ask him for something.
What's that?
I don't know whether you see my this thing key for your shop. One key with green key holder like that.
Please ask Daniel, I beg. You know, I've not been active on shop since.
Okay, alright now. Alright.
Please help me ask Daniel. Sorry, my brother. Sorry, my bro. Sorry. Thank you. Sorry for the distraction. Sorry for the distraction. All right, so this is, let me see, do US oil analysis too. All right, I'm coming back to that. Okay, have seen it. All right. So let me see. This one you are, let me see. I don't want to leave any comment behind. Okay, I've seen it. All right. So this one you are using the same one Harvey and Jeffrey Benson use. My bro, how far na lax? So I cannot use what Harvey and Jeffrey Benson is using. You don see me finish, my brother. You have seen me finish. You have seen me finish. Please do US oil. I will do that. I will do that. So I cannot use what Harvey and Jeffrey Benson is using. Although they are the top, you understand? They are the top, but we are coming. You understand? They are the top. They did the top, but we are coming as well. You get my bro. You get. They don't get too head. Nobody get too head. Me, I don't get too head, and I'm doing this. So then they don't have to hate. I can do what they are doing. You understand? We are all using the same streaming platform because they know, but they like they always claim those link this thing leave under your description. But me, I know they claim my own. You understand? I know they claim my own. I'm trying to say it is good. It's very, very good, but they will never tell you. Ask from today till tomorrow, what platform are you using? What streaming platform are you using? Ask them from today till tomorrow. They will never tell you. You understand? They will not tell you. I don't know how come you know about that, Bosha. I don't know. Everybody know how they do their own research. So it's from my own top research now that make me to discover this particular thing. Happy use this particular streaming platform that day. You understand? I'm trying to say it's good. Okay, that's very great, Lax. I understand. Happy use this particular streaming platform. That time he has not subscribed. You understand? So the logo is showing. But if the logo is showing, but by then I've discover this particular platform. Me, I have even subscribed. I subscribe this particular platform that you are seeing with $25. You understand? I subscribe it for me to be giving you guys the premium, the premium this thing knowledge. I subscribe it with $25 for me to be and it's monthly. Oh, that $25 it's monthly. Oh, you get it's monthly, my bro. So please, Mr. Is it Mr. P? Yeah, Sir P, are you active? Sir P, please let me know if you're active. Sir P, let me know if you're active. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. The thing is taking longer time. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. If you're active, just let me know you're active so that we'll continue. Sir P, Sir P, Sir P, Sir P, Sir P. Sir P, let me know if you're active so that I will continue, man. Let me know if you're active. I'm waiting for you. I'm active, bro. All right. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. Okay. Hope you are seeing the analysis I'm doing. Hope you are seeing the analysis I'm doing. Hope you are getting value. Please let me know again. Let me know. Don't be angry. Let me know. 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 If you are getting value, please let me know you are getting value. If you are getting value, let me know you are getting value. If you are getting value, let me know you are getting value. I'm just waiting for your response, then I'll go ahead. Waiting for your response, then I'll go ahead. And if there is a yes, bro, let's do this often. See, let's do this often. I see you are just coming across my channel. I always just check my I'm aggressively active, my bro. Aggressively active. You see me live tomorrow. You see me live next tomorrow. You see me live every day. I even want to like schedule it maybe 3 times in a week. You understand? But all you need to do is subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that whenever I come on live, you'll be notified. You understand? That's the only thing you need to do. You understand? That's the only thing. I break it down to like, I break analysis down. You understand? I break it down to everybody to understand, even to myself to understand. Because as I'm doing for you, I'm learning from inside. I know what the market is going to see. Is for the it's for the family. We are just one family. Active. All right. All right. I do this often, just that you are just coming to this, but like you are just coming across this particular channel. for the first time, just check my history, check the way I do my live stream. You will see 4 hours straight live stream. You see, if you check down, you see 5 hours straight live stream. I'm responding to people's comments steadily, and that is what makes my live stream to be long like that. You understand? If not, if I don't want to respond to comments, what 40 minutes to 1 hour is okay for me to like do my own, to do exactly what I want and just leave you guys. But no, 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 I can't do that. I'm here for you to get value. So I don't just like, I cannot just come and do what exactly I want and just go. No, I'm here for you guys to get value. So just all you need to do is to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. Then you'll be notified whenever we are coming, whenever I'm coming to live stream. You can even set it to like only live stream. You understand? Depending on how you want to do it, or you can set it to general. If I post a short, if I post long video, if I post short video, anytime at all, you'll be notified. You understand? That's how I do it. That's how I do it, my brother. So I always active, aggressively active. You understand? Aggressively active. So that's it. That's it. That's it. So let's go straight to the analysis now and continue. So this is it. The market come to a support level and give us this particular pin bar. Understand? Can you see? It give us this particular pin bar. So maybe what we are going to see, there is an aggressive move from here, from this particular area. There is an aggressive move and there is a fair value gap the market leave. So there must be a little push from here, like this. Since the market have given a bullish engulfing candle and then it will crash to the downside. This is exactly what we are going to experience. You understand? This is exactly what we are going to see this new week on NAS 100. You understand? The market have totally showed us that it's going to the downside. You understand? So whatever you are seeing here is just a trap. Any particular engulfing candle you are seeing, all you need to be working with now is a bearish engulfing candle. Once you see a bearish engulfing candle, enter your trade. If it stop you out, all you need to do is keep managing your risk whole way. Take your risk management very serious. Take your risk management very serious. Understand? So as the market is moving to the upside now like this, trying to be managing, going to the upside slow and steady till it fit the gap, you see a bearish engulfing candle first on the 4 hour time frame. That first bearish engulfing candle you see, just enter your trade. You understand? If you enter your trade, pull your stop loss above this particular strong bearish engulfing candle that have the highest strong impact on the chart. You understand? If the market reach this particular area, make sure you enter for a sell. You understand? Make sure wait for your strategy. I will not say a bearish engulfing candle stick, because it's not everybody that use a bearish or bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Wait for your sell opportunity. Then if you enter a sell, you understand? If you enter a sell, make sure your stop loss is above this particular resistance level. Then you target either 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, any particular one you can target. You understand? Let me just say 1 to 3 first. Any particular one you can target. This is 1 to 3. You understand? And 1 to 3 self is approaching another support level. So this is what you are going to be targeting. You understand? So just wait for the market to like consolidate, reach this particular area. Then wait for your strategy to give you a sign that yes, the market is going to the downside. Then you enter for a sell. And if you enter for a sell, make sure you reduce your loss. If this particular area is too far for you, reduce your loss. Reduce your lot size so that your stop loss will be above this particular resistance level first. Then after you see a clean bearish engulfing candle, then you can reduce your stop loss and bring it down to bring it above that particular bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. Then wait for the market to like do its worst. You understand? Wait for the market to do its worst. All you need to do is prioritize your like risk management. Take like be very very serious with your risk management, because that is the only thing that will keep you in the game for long. You understand? That's the only thing that will keep you in the game for long. So I've come to the end of this particular analysis, because this is a top down analysis. I'm not going to like go to the lower time frame to analyze, because this particular one will do it from the weekly time frame down to the daily time frame, from the daily time frame down to the 4 hour time frame, suitable for everybody. Either you are a swing trader, you are a day trader, you are a scalper, it's suitable for you, because you have seen the support and the resistance level where the market will react from. All you need to do now is to play along. You understand? The market is taking an aggressive move to the downside. What you are seeing now is just a little retracement to fill that particular fair value gap. Then you see another aggressive push to the downside. You understand? That's exactly what you're going to see. So if you understand this particular analysis, please let me see a reaction from you on the comment section. Then please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You understand? Please. If you understand this particular analysis, let me see a reaction. Please let me see a reaction real quick. Let me see understood under the comment section. Before we go to US oil, 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 you should understand the analysis. You should understand the top down and technical analysis. Let me see understood real quick. I'll be waiting for you guys. Thank you, bro. You have said it all. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, and I thank God you get valued. I thank God you get valued. This is your first time. Please let me know, Sapi. Is this your first time coming to this particular channel live stream, or you have been around since? Please let me know, Sapi. Please let me know. Is this your first time coming across this particular channel? You, you are analyzing candles, but who is here? Who here is analyzing time? Which section mode are you even tracking? My brother, you can, my brother or my sister, I don't know which one you be, but Sapi, I ask you a question. Please let me know either you just come across this particular channel for the first time, or you have been around. Let me know. Then this is my first time on your live. Okay. All right. Thank God you get value on your first time, and I pray you keep getting the value. You understand? You keep getting the value. You keep getting the value regardless. And this is my number one priority. Anybody, I want all my subscribers, all my viewers to be getting value from my analysis, from my channel, from everything I do on this particular space. You understand? Because this particular channel is just like a family who are trying to create a community. You understand? For traders, where your voice will be heard, your comment will be responded to, and everything. You understand? I respond to every comment regardless. You understand? So my brother, you ask a question. Let me see. You ask a question, either my brother or my sister, I don't know, your name do not even show exactly who you are, but let me respond to this your comment real quick, my brother or my sister. So you say you are analyzing candles. You know why I'm analyzing candles? Candlestick that you see is the only language that the market speak. You understand? The candlestick that you see is the only language the market speak. I don't know if you know that. You understand? The market speak, the only language the market speak is the candlestick. Candlestick will give you the direction of the market. Once you understand candlestick, there is nothing that is going to hard you on this particular market. You understand? Candlestick is the only language the market speak with traders. So you have to understand the candle before you even talk of time frame or time zone or any other thing. You understand? You might, like, if you understand the candlestick, You can maybe during London section, you might be taking your trade during London section, you might be taking your trade during New York section, you might be taking your trade during Asian section. Any section at all, you can take your trade with. But first of all, try to understand the candlestick. You understand? Try to understand the candlestick. Ah, thank God, thank God, thank God. You get value. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You get value, and you say yeah, and you say 100%. Yes, my brother or my sister. I don't know how to like put it because your name. I don't know. Is it Joe? Is it J? Oh, wait, wait, wait. I don't know. I don't know how to like I don't know the name to I don't know how to address you, but my brothers or my sister, my brother or my sister, you understand? Thank you, you understand what I said. You understand? So let me follow the comments one after the other. This is my first time on your life. All right, thank you, my brother. You're highly welcome. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask. You understand? And be very active on this particular live stream because this is where we share knowledge together. You understand? This is where we share knowledge together. You understand? Then let me see. Lax, you say understood. That's very great. That's very great. Then Destiny. You are just coming. Benv. I love that, my brother. You're highly welcome. Destiny, your presence is filled. My brother, your presence is filled. I feel your presence. I feel your presence. I feel your presence. Okay, this my brother or my sister, you understand me. Thank you so much for your understanding. Then how are you doing today, sir? I'm doing greatly well, my brother. I'm doing greatly well. I'm doing very, very well. You get, I'm doing very, very well. Let me see. I missed your live session, sir. No, you are still very, very, yeah. Please permit me to give you 300 likes, please. Oh boy, man. You always do this. You always do this. And you are 100% permitted, bro. Just keep giving me the like. And that's what I want, man. Keep giving me. No need of permission. No need of permission. Just keep pressing it. That's what I want. Thank you so much, Destiny. And this is the reason why I like you, man. You know you have my WhatsApp number. I will always see there is a good news coming, oh, my brother. It's your boy aggressively active, sir. I know you are aggressively active, man. There's a good news coming. All of us will eat, man. All of us will eat. There's a good news coming. Just that he never reach yet. He never reach yet. So make her keep calm. Make her keep calm. There's a good news coming for the community. Oh. There's a good news coming for all of us, but it never reach. It just remains small. You understand? You know there will be a delay along the line. You understand? There will be a delay, but delay is not a deny, man. You understand? Delay is not a deny. Please, sir, please. The bad news is that I blew my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You just seized laugh from my mouth, bro. And you did not reach out to me on WhatsApp. Why? You did not reach out to me on WhatsApp. You did not reach out to me on WhatsApp. You have my WhatsApp number. You did not reach out to me on WhatsApp. I beg any one of you that want my WhatsApp number, I give out my WhatsApp number without requesting for 1 naira. Please don't be scammed by anybody. If you want my WhatsApp number to be like asking any question you want or maybe guiding you through one or two things, ask for my WhatsApp number. This year as a whole is for struggling traders. I want to be in part in the life of the struggling traders as a whole. This year as a whole, I don't even know if I will make next year as a whole completely free for everybody to access me. You understand? Once you are getting value from me, that's just it. So if you need my WhatsApp number to be like asking some little question, let me know. Let me know. I'm not going to request 1 naira from you. You understand? I'm not going to request 1 naira from you. Oh my God. You blow your account and you not reach out to me on WhatsApp. Why? Why, Destiny? Why? Why you don't, why do you want to like hide it from me? Why do you want to hide it from me? And I'm always here for you. I'm always here. I'm always active for you guys. Why do you want, why are you hiding it from me? Let me see. With due respect, sir, you never answer even the last message. E be like say you dey very busy. Why? Destiny then reply, like send me message. I don't know, like a lot of messages. I don't know. Send me message. Abi I not save your name, Destiny? Hello. Which name are you save your name? Which name are you bearing on your WhatsApp? What is the name in your WhatsApp? What is the name in your WhatsApp? Just send me. Me and you dey always talk now on WhatsApp now, all the time. I think all the time before, like maybe this particular one I don't know. Maybe this particular one I don't know. Just after the live section, good evening, sir. Okay. I've seen your message now. Good evening, sir. All right. I see your message now. I see your message now. After the live session, I'm going to like reply to you. After the live section, I'm going to reply to you. After the live section, I'm going to reply to you. I've done that, sir. Yes, I've seen it. I've seen it. After the live section, I'm going to reply to you. Don't forget to give me my 100 and my 300 likes. Oh yeah, fire on. Don't forget. I'm sorry about your losing this thing, your account that you lost. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. We are going to discuss about that on WhatsApp. You're not supposed to lose an account now. Mhm. Risk management first of all, bro. If you're on a drawdown, there's a, just let me know if you are on a drawdown. Just let me know. I will guide you in the loss that is the loss side that you're supposed to reduce your this thing to. Let me know the profile or the account you are trading with. Let's make research on their this part, on their this thing, on their how is it called, how is it called? Let's know their rules, you understand? Then we'll know how to like minimize your loss size, then do calculation on the remaining balance to blow the account. Then I'll tell you how many this thing, how many dollar you are going to risk per trade, and how you are going to be managing it till you come out a bit before you increase your lot size and the rest. We are going to discuss that through call. You understand, my brother? Through call and through sharing, through call, um through WhatsApp call. We are going to do that. We are going to do, I'm here for every struggling traders this year, and I don't even know if I'm going to add next year to that. um I'm using XNext and XNext. XNext. Okay, is it their naira trader? We are going to discuss about that. We are going to discuss about that. When? Well, which question is that, bro? Funa, which question is that? Which question is that? Which question is that? You say when? What is it? What exactly are you talking about? I'm losing strength already. What? WhatsApp? Uh-uh. It's destiny that I'm talking about. I just say that he should reach out to me on WhatsApp so that me and him will discuss. But he has lost the account already. But I'm still going to console him on WhatsApp. He's my guy. I'm still, I will not call him my boy. He's my guy. You understand? So I'm still going to console him on WhatsApp, tell him what to do next and the rest. You understand? So you have my WhatsApp number now. Funa, you have my WhatsApp number already. You have my WhatsApp number. So okay, you say US oil. Yeah. You have my WhatsApp number already. I'm using XXR. No worry, we'll discuss about that. We'll discuss about that. I will call you sef direct. It's just a call direct. I will call you. I will call you. But please don't let anybody call anybody say it's from BenVFX to say send money this and that. Abeg don't fall for any victim. Don't fall for any cheap scammers, please. I can never request 1 naira from you just to show you anything. Oh. That one is me. That is BenVFX. You understand? BenVFX can never request 1 naira from you just to show you anything. That is me. You get that's me. That's me. Okay, Destiny, you say then like say we should there is one. Okay, Destiny, before your own, let's respond to this particular lax message. I don't know if lax is still active. Lax, if you're active, let me know, let me know, let me know. I'm about to do analysis on US oil. Please, please let me know if you're active, lax. Let me know if you are active. Let me know if you're active. I'm going to spend just 2 hours on this particular live today. XAUUSD. Okay, I've never do XAU. I've done XAUUSD now. You come late, you still rewatch. Oh. You go still rewatch, my brother. You go rewatch. Forward it to that place where I do analysis on XAUUSD. I think I've done XAUUSD. I've done XAUUSD. Yes, I've done XAUUSD already. Just forward it to where I do XAUUSD. After the live stream, forward it back to not today. Not today, huh? I don't understand. If you want to like understand the XAUSD analysis after the live stream, you can forward it to that particular area, then you rewatch it. You understand? Please. I'm waiting for Lax to respond. I'm waiting for Lax to respond. Lax, if you're active, I give you just abeg, just in less than 1 minute, please respond, 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 so that we'll fire on. Respond, lax, 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 respond. If you're active, so that we'll do US oil analysis. So that we'll do US oil analysis, then we'll come to USD JPY. All right, my brother, thank you for your understanding. I know this your hand that you raise up means you understand. Funa, I know this your hand that you raise up means you understand. Lax, abeg, if you're active, let me know. Let me know so that we'll do a top-down analysis on that particular US oil. You understand? Please, una no vex o. I'm losing strength already, so I'm taking this. I bin wan cover am, but sha make I just cover am. It's nothing, just normal yogurt. Please, make una no vex. I'm losing strength already. I'll spend 1 hour 27 minutes on this particular live, so I'm losing strength. It's that Lax is not active. Lax is not active. Lax is not active. So we are going straightly to, or I should just do when he come back. I'll tell him to like forward back because he asked this question for long and I've been responding to comments because I don't want to leave any comments behind. He asked this question for long. He asked the question for long. Let me just do analysis on US oil. Then please hold on, Destiny, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me do this particular US oil analysis. I'll just do the analysis. Since Lax is not active, please do his own first. All right, all right. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patience. Let me do his own. Then US oil, US oil, US oil, US oil, US, USDC, US oil, oil. All right. CFD, commodity CFD. Okay, that will be very great. Commodity CFD will be very great. commodity CFD. We are CFD traders. You understand? So, okay, this is US oil. This is US oil. And first of all, this is weekly top-down analysis that we are doing. Before you do anything on the chart, when you are doing your top-down analysis during the weekend, or maybe you want to like just as we are doing it now like this, if you want to do your top-down analysis before the week starts, you have to like start from the weekly time frame. You understand? Start from the weekly time frame, know where exactly the market is on the weekly time frame, then you know what to do. You understand? Know where the market is on the weekly time frame before you know what to do. This is US just as this person the last requested, and this is weekly time frame. You understand? On the weekly time frame, what exactly are you seeing and where the market is? The market is on this particular support level. The market is on this particular support level. You understand? This is where the market is. And immediately the market tap on this particular support level, it gives this particular bullish engulfing candle. But if you like maybe uh, see the overall trend of this particular chart is been a downtrend for the longest. You understand? It's been a downtrend since, let me see, since uh, June 2022. That is when the downtrend started. You understand? Since 2022, June 2022, that's when the downtrend start, and since then it's been trending to the downside. You understand? But don't be afraid. You can be getting a buy opportunity and a sell opportunity at the same time, because this is weekly time frame and you are a day trader, a swing trader, and even a scalper is among us. So within a week we have 5 solid day for trade, to trade. You understand? Then inside that 5 solid day, if you go to 4 hour time frame, there is a support and resistance level on the 4 hour time frame. If you go to 1 hour time frame, there is a support and resistance level that you can take your buy or your sell. So don't even panic that the market is on the downtrend, you cannot get an opportunity for a buy, or you just be waiting for a sell opportunity alone. No, this is weekly time frame, not a daily time frame or a 4 hour time frame. You understand? So all we do is to like know the direction of the market and know how the market has been behaving for the past how many days. You understand? For the past years. You understand? This is weekly time frame. And the market make a double bottom here. You understand? And whenever a market make a double bottom, all you will see from the market is to like retrace to the back to the upside. You understand? Before you see any other push to the upside or break to the downside. You understand? But we are still going to the lower time frame. Let's see what the lower time frame is saying. What we are seeing now, the market have made a double bottom from this particular support level, but the market is still taking this move to the downside on the weekly time frame. Is either it's coming down to make a double bottom on the daily time frame. If you go to the daily time frame, we'll see what the market is doing on the daily time frame. But let's just say on the weekly time frame, the market make a clean double bottom. You understand? But after that double bottom, the market do not break do not take aggressive move to the upside. It's still retracing to this particular support level again. So let's see what daily time frame is saying. You understand? Let's see what daily time frame is saying. Okay, this is daily time frame. As you can see, this is the double bottom that the market do. This is even the third time the market is tapping on this particular support level. You understand? This is first, this is second, and this is third. You understand? Then the market is approaching the support level like this, and the way the market is approaching it is not too sharp. You understand? After this particular spike to the upside and the market take an aggressive move to the downside, retrace a bit to like fill a fair value gap around this particular area. The market take another aggressive move to the downside and be just more like a consolidation, but taking slow and steady to the downside, slow and steady to the downside till make it tap on this particular support level again. After it tap on the support level, it give a three solid hammer. You understand? Three solid hammer from that part. this is daily time frame, 3 solid daily time frame hammer before the market take an aggressive move to this particular resistance level. You understand, to this particular resistance level before we are seeing a push to the downside. To this particular resistance level before we are seeing a push to the downside, and that particular push now is coming to this particular support level again. You understand? So what exactly are we going to see? What exactly are we going to see? The market is coming to this particular support level again. What exactly are we going to see? Let's just keep our eye, let's just keep close eye, like watch it very closely. If the market break below this particular support level, then it will just come down a bit, retest, then break to the downside, just as the market has been doing for the past how many years. You understand? For the past how many months, for the past how many weeks, you understand? And for the past how many days. So that's what I'm seeing. You understand? So now like this, for this is exactly what we are seeing on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, since the market give a strong hammer from this particular support level that send the market to the next resistance level, and the market is taking a bearish engulfing candle to the downside, the market have not come to this particular support level. Maybe the market will like come to this particular support level, then we'll see a bullish engulfing candle, then the market will like maybe try to break above this particular resistance level, but until we'll see a bullish engulfing candle from this particular support level first before we predict the market that it will go to the upside. If not, the market is going to the downside. In a short period of time, all you need to do is wait for your opportunity to sell. You get? So now like this, after we have seen what the market is doing on the daily time frame, that is taking an aggressive move to like to reach that particular support level, we'll go to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what the 4 hour time frame is saying. You understand? Then a reaction from 4 hour time frame now will like give us another clear vision, another clarity on the chart of what the market will like going to do. You understand? But just hold it in your mind, at the back of your mind, that the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. All what the lower time frame do is just, inside trend, there is trend inside trend. You understand? There is, after, if you come to 4 hour time frame, there is its own like movement to the upside before it will break to the downside. And 4 hour time like there is trend inside trend. It just depends on the type of time frame you are using. You understand? So let's go to 4 hour time frame and see the reaction of the market on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, this is 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame on US oil. And what exactly are you seeing? The markets have not even given any sign that it will go to the upside anytime soon. You understand? So just expect the market to come to this particular support level before you do anything. You understand? Expect the market to come to this particular support level before you do anything. Or maybe just target the market till you fit this particular fair value gap. You understand? If the market can be able to fit this particular fair value gap, and you see a bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, then follow the trend down follow the trend down. You understand? If not, until then, just wait for the market to come to this particular major support level, then give us a bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time, on the daily time frame. Then you still come to the 4 hour time frame, see a bullish engulfing candle, then you go to your execution time frame and strike. Wait for your strategy to play out, then you strike. That is exactly what I'm saying. This is exactly what I'm saying. You understand? The market approach this particular support level. This is where the market is reacting from. This is the this is the inner support level where the market is reacting from, this particular area. But the major support level is here, and there's no any bullish engulfing candle or any pin bar. You understand? That shows that the market will move aggressively from here to the upside. So if the market manage and reach this particular fair value gap, then the next thing is to break to the downside to this particular support level before we see any other, before we can decide on what to do. You understand? But presently, please stay away out of this particular market first until you reach this particular resistance level. You understand? This particular fair value gap. You understand? Then you see maybe another M pattern, then you follow the market to the downside. So please, if you understand the analysis, let me know on the comment section real quick. If you understand the analysis, just let me know on the comment section real quick before we go to another analysis. 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 Then this is the one we are going to do next. This is exactly the one we are going to do next. So if you understand the analysis that I just do on US oil, please let me know real quick. Let me know. Even if you are not the one that asks the question or you are the one that asks the question, so if you understand that top down and technical analysis, just let me know. If you understand, just write understood. I have like, I don't know when, make I just keep calm. You understand? If not, I plan to spend just 2 hours on this particular live, but regardless, you guys, I don't know, I'm going to like answer a lot of people before I'll come out from this particular live stream. So let me know if you understand this particular analysis that I just did, that I just do on US oil. Then again, Destiny, if you are active, let me know because I'm coming to you. You are the next person I will respond to. If you are active, just let me know. Destiny, if you are active, just let me know real quick. Destiny, if you are active, let me know real quick. You are the next person I'm responding to. You understand? Then please, if you are on this particular live stream and you have any favorite pair that you want me to like do a top down and technical analysis on for you, just let me know. Not that you don't know how to do your own top down and technical analysis, but two head is better than one. Let me just, you understand? You get the vibe now, you understand? So that you see how I'm going to like break it down. Maybe it will correspond with your own, or maybe it will like have a little different with your own, but your own is also very, very important. You understand? So Destiny, if you are active, let me know. Destiny, if you are active, let me know. If you are active, let me know real quick. If you are active, let me know. Or what is this now? Then Funa, abeg, I've analyzed XAUSD already. Please forward back and see the analysis. You understand? Forward back and see the analysis. I think you even understand. Yes, you say you understand. No problem. Please, when you have the chance, just forward back and see the analysis that we'll do on XAUSD, so that we'll not keep repeating ourselves. You understand? So Destiny, if you're active, just let me know. If you're active, let me know real quick. If you're active, let me know. I want to respond to you now, and I want you to be active. I want to respond to you now, and I want you to be active. Any other person who is active can drop a questions. You understand? Then we'll be waiting for Destiny to let us know if he's active or not. If you're active and you have a question, just let me know real quick. If you're active and you have a question, just let me know real quick. I'm waiting for you guys. Yeah, man. I'm waiting for you guys. So Destiny, if you're active, just let me know. I'm responding to you now. I've never even analyzed Euro USD. I've never analyzed JP USD. You understand? So I don't know if let me respond to you guys' comment first. Your comment is the number one priority. Mine, I can do my own whenever I want. You understand? But your comment is the number one priority. I want to like respond to your comments. You understand? Responding to your comments gives me joy. You understand? Responding to your comments gives me joy. So let me know if you have any question to ask. regardless, you understand, anything at all you want me to talk about, just let me know. I'm going to talk about that real quick, real quick, real quick. Anything at all you want me to talk about, then just let me know. I'm going to talk about that real quick. I'm gonna talk about that real quick. So I'll be waiting for you. Let me know if you have any question. Let me know if you have any question. The comment is open for everybody to have a question, to like to drop their question. The comment is actively open for anybody to ask a question. And I'm waiting for this. I don't know why Destiny is not active. Is it because is it data or what? Is it data or what? What's happening? Why Destiny is not active? Why Destiny is not active? Who's that? Hey, oh yeah now. Yeah. Kai omo. Kai. Oh my god. All right, my people. Just drop question. Let me drop question. I leave shop, somebody come dey open eye for my boy, collect something dey go without pay money. I just rush the person sharp, but I come notice say na my guy. But omo, if I dey make him come do dat one, but if I no dey make him no come, make him no try am next time. I don give am warning sha, but now na back. I even think say na another person make we run into ourselves, but no be anything serious. Abeg make una ask me. God. How far? Una ask me question. If there is no question, then I'm going to like end the live stream now. I'll be expecting your question on the comment section. I've not even checked Euro USD and JP USD. So when Destiny is active, you can ask his question. Let me go to Euro USD and JP USD. I'm going to Euro USD and JP USD now, real quick. And if you have any question, please drop your question on the comment section. If you have any question, drop your question on the comment section. This is JP USD. Is it the one that I've been? Why there is no any? Why there is no any this on analysis on this particular? Maybe it's not this one I've been using for long. If you have any question, just drop it on the comment section. I respond to every comment. This is GBP now. Why there is no any previous analysis on this particular GBP? It's supposed to be previous analysis on JPUSD now. It's supposed to be previous analysis on JPUSD. It's supposed to be previous analysis on JPUSD. Let me see. But nevertheless, this is top-down weekly top-down analysis. Then you go ahead. So, just as I always said, if you come on your chart, regardless of how you are in the haste or anything, most especially when everybody do that mistake during a trading hour, you understand, you will just come on your chart and just see that yes, your strategy play out and you want to like enter immediately without doing analysis. No, it's not a good move, you understand. But this like before you enter any particular trade, make sure you do your technical analysis, you understand, your daily analysis. Don't forget to do your daily analysis before you take any particular trade any day. Week is about to open now, you understand. Before you know now, candlestick will start the form and the rest, you understand. But don't be in a haste to take a trade. Allow the market to settle down, you get. If you are if you are new to trading sef, I'll prefer you stay away from the market on Monday, because market is trying to settle down, this and that and the rest, you get. So your strategy might look very fine, but it will just set you up, you get. So if you are just starting trading, I will suggest you just stay away from the market on Monday, you understand, because that is when market is trying to like settle down and the rest. So this is it. I'm going to like go to the higher time frame. I'm going to the higher time frame, which is weekly time frame. Let me see what weekly time frame is doing. This is it. This is weekly time frame on GBP USD. You understand? And for how many, since, let me just say, since June, since 30th of June, GBP have been like going to the downside. Anything you see is just a retracement to the upside a bit, and then it will crash to the downside again. You understand? That's exactly what it's been doing since 30th of June. You get, so this is exactly what we are going to do. The market is approaching this particular support level. You understand? This is where the market is approaching. The support level is even from this particular area. And the support level is from here. Then that is the reason why you are seeing that the market is pushing a bit to the upside. You understand? And whatever goes up must come down, and whatever goes down must go up. That is how forex market work. All the markets, all the financial market, that's how they work. Both forex, crypto, indices, synthetic, and the rest. That is how they work. They work both support and the resistance level. You get, so this is a support level. As the market comes to this particular support level, it's trying to respect the support level, moving to the upside, but we are still going down to the lower time frame. Let's see what the lower time frame is doing. You understand? Let's see what the lower time frame is doing. That's exactly what we're going to do. Mm. Let's see what the lower time frame is doing. So this is daily time frame. Let's go to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is doing. Daily time frame is trying to make a double bottom, but this double bottom is not that healthy. It's not that healthy. What we'll be expecting is the market to make a clean double bottom. You understand? Like, if the market open, we'll be expecting, since because there is no any bullish engulfing candle here that will give us a strong this thing belief that the market is going to the upside. You get, there's no any bullish engulfing candle or any candlestick here that will give us any healthy candlestick here that will give us a strong belief that the market is going to the upside. Even me sef, last week I thought this particular, is it last week or last week, I thought this particular candlestick will send the market to the next resistance level, which is this area or this particular area, but the market still break to the downside, trying to make a double bottom, but the double bottom is not yet double bottom. So all you need to do is keep your eye closed, like keep watching it close, you understand, till you see a bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame before you take a buy from this particular support level, because the market is on a support level actually. The market is on a support level, but there will be a lot of manipulation. So be very, very careful in whatever you are doing this particular period on JPUSD and Euro USD, because last week as a whole I did not take trade with JPUSD and Euro USD because what the market is doing I do not understand. Like, my strategy did not play out. All the trade that I take last week is on XAUSD. You understand? All the trade that I take last week that make me end the week in profit is XAUSD. You understand? So now, like this, I'm going to like go to the 4-hour time frame. Mm. All right. I'm going to the 4-hour time frame so that we'll see what the 4-hour time frame is doing. Mm. We'll go to the 4-hour time frame. Let me see what the 4-hour time frame is doing. Okay, 4-hour time frame come to this particular support level, then trying to give a bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame. Not, there is no even bullish engulfing candle. I thought this particular candlestick is bullish engulfing candle, but there is no any bullish engulfing candle. So what you should be expecting from this particular trade is the market to like manage. If it's managed, know how, there is no way it's going to like pass this particular resistance level to the upside. You understand? It will like move like this to this particular resistance level, then we'll see a break to the downside, maybe make a clean double bottom, then we'll see a double pattern from the support level before the market move to the upside. to the upside if the market will move from this particular support level to the upside, because the support level is from the like weekly time frame. You understand? This is exactly what I'll be expecting on GBP/USD. You understand? Regardless, even tomorrow, sef, tomorrow again, I'm going to like analyze this particular GBP/USD. I'm going to like be watching closely to see what GBP/USD and Euro/USD is going to do this particular week, because what they do last week I did not really understand at all. You understand? So I'm going to pay close attention to what they are going to do this week. You get? That's what exactly I'm going to do this particular week. I'm going to pay close attention to this particular pair, so that I'll see what will happen, and I'll be like coming to life to analyze it with you guys. That's just it. I'll be coming to life to analyze it with you guys. And if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. This 2 hours straight. Then what I'll do now, just like analyze Euro/USD. You understand? I'll analyze Euro/USD. Then if there is no any question, then we'll call it a day for today. That's just it. I'll analyze Euro/USD. I'm going to analyze Euro/USD. This is exactly what I'm expecting on GBP/USD, but I'm going to analyze Euro/USD. Let's see what Euro/USD is doing. Because Euro/USD and GBP/USD, they always work the same way. You get? They work hand to hand. They always work the same way, as you can see. As you can see, this is the major support level I thought the market to move from to the upside, but the market break below the support level, then trying to like consolidate. You get? But regardless, I'm going to like go to the higher time frame to see what the market is doing from the higher time frame before I know exactly what to do. I'm going to like pay close attention. I told you guys last week I have not take any trade at all from on Euro/USD and GBP/USD, because what they are doing I do not understand. Like there is no any clear direction of the market at all last week. There's no any clear direction on the chart at all last week. So I'm going to like do the top down analysis. Then let me see what Euro/USD is doing. After I see what Euro/USD is doing from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame, then I'll pay close attention to what the market is going to do. You understand? This particular week. You get? This particular week. But regardless, I'm going to end this week in profit as usual. That's just it. I'm going to end this particular week as usual in profit. That's just it. It's a promise. It's a promise. You get? It's a promise. So this is it. Yeah? So you go to your higher time frame. This is weekly time frame. This weekly time frame. And what exactly are you seeing on the weekly time frame? What exactly are you seeing on the weekly time frame? The market is on this particular support level. The market is on this particular support level. Let me mark it out for you guys. The market is on this particular support level, and it will move from here to this particular close to this, like there is something it went up here to fill. You understand? Before we are seeing this particular bearish engulfing candle to the downside. But this bearish engulfing candle we are seeing, if anything that will save the market from breaking below this particular support level, then maybe we'll see a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame that close above this particular one, maybe this week close above this particular one before we'll see another push to the upside. If not, the market is going to break below this particular support level, then go to the next support level, and the next support level, the next major support level is around this particular area. You get? Is around this particular area. This is it here. The next major support level is around this particular area. So we are going to see a drop, because this is a bearish engulfing candle. So I'm not like what exactly I'm expecting on this particular pair now is it's going to drop to this particular support level before we'll see any massive to the upside. But regardless, this is weekly time frame. But we are not swing trader and we are not a position trader. Just like we are doing a top-down analysis to do the overall trend of the market so that we'll know how to like position ourselves and get prepared for the market. You understand? That's exactly what we are doing here. You understand? That's exactly what we are doing. So this is it here. Let me see. Okay, we are going to the lower time frame, which is daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the market is making a double bottom. You understand? But regardless of the double bottom the market is doing, like it has not even reached the real double bottom yet. You understand? This is where the real double bottom is. And this is where the real double bottom is. So if the market come to this particular area, if the market come to this particular area and we see a double pattern or golfing candle, then the market is going to break below this particular support level. That is exactly what we are going to see. But if we see something like this, either a double pattern or a bullish engulfing candle on a daily time frame, then we'll be expecting the market to like go to the upside. You understand? But if not until then, the market will like break to the downside to create another lower low before we see any push to the upside. You understand? That's exactly what I'm saying. You get? That's exactly what I'm saying on Euro USD. So last week as a whole, there is no opportunity at all. There's no opportunity on the chart for me at all. Like Euro USD is my favorite pair, but there is no any opportunity for me that last week. Mm. There's no any opportunity for me at all that last week. So this is it. I'm going to like going to the lower time frame now. I'm going to the lower time frame now to like this is like 4 hour time frame to analyze the market on the 4 hour time frame as well. Because I'm going to the lower time frame, which is 4 hour time frame to analyze the market to see how 4 hour time frame is behaving. You get to see how 4 hour time frame is behaving. Let's see how 4 hour time frame is behaving. Then we'll know what to do. You get? As a scalper and a day trader, you can get an opportunity for a buy or a sell any particular time. But what I want you to do, if the market move from this particular support level and the movement is not too that clear for you, it's not too that clear, then all you need to do is to be targeting a bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. Then you just enter, you enter for a sell. That is exactly what you are going to do. But the market is approaching a major like trying to make a double bottom. If the market make a double bottom and give us a clean engulfing candle, then we'll just like target a buy to the upside to the next resistance level before we like see any other reaction from the market. You get? That's exactly what we are going to like expect. The market will come to this particular support level, make a clean W pattern or give us a clean bullish engulfing candle on a daily time frame or a 4 hour time frame before we like consider buying to the upside. If not, all you need to do is target a sell. You understand? And if the market break below this particular support level, then all you need to do is wait for the market to retrace a bit, then you just enter for a sell. Again, this is exactly the same thing that we are seeing on GBP USD. That's the same thing we are seeing on Euro USD. You get? That's the same thing we are seeing on Euro USD. So let me see if there will be any question from you guys. If there is any question from you guys, then I'll just answer to your question. But if there is no question, then we'll call it a day. If there is no question, then we'll call it a day. Then before then, let me be telling you guys who is active this particular team. You understand? As the week is about to like to start, there are three or four things that I want you guys to put together. You understand? There are 3 or 4 things that I want you guys to put together. And what are those things? First of all, be disciplined enough not to like discipline yourself. One, then stick to your strategy. Don't switch strategy. You understand? Two, then your risk management. trade, then learn how to manage trade. There is risk management and there is trade management. Those two things is different. You understand? Learn how to like manage your trade, then stick to your risk management, then be very, very disciplined. Wait for your strategy to play out. Be very, very disciplined to wait for your strategy to play out before you do anything this new week. Then be very, very disciplined to like stick to your risk management. Be very, very disciplined to like manage your trade. You understand? That's exactly what you are going to do this week. Then as this week is starting, just hold it in mind and tell yourself that this particular week I'm going to end it in profit. Once you tell yourself that particular thing is going to work, because it's been working for me. I told you guys for the past 15 weeks now, and the record, all the record is on my channel. You understand? For the past 15 weeks now, I have not end any of my week in loss. You understand? Why? Because before I start any week, I will say yes, this particular week I'm going to end it in profit, and that thing will store in my brain. You understand? So before I do anything, I'll say, is this thing not going to affect my trade? If this thing not going to like pull me to draw down, because if you go to draw down before you struggle out of draw down before you get profit on top, it will be very, very hard. So just be very, very careful, stick to your strategy, stick to your risk management, stick to your trade management, and be very, very patient and be very disciplined. You understand? All of us, we are going to see at the top. So see you guys tomorrow evening. Then we'll do our normal struggling traders live with Benv FX. Understand? See you guys tomorrow. Bye for now. I love you all. Bye for now. Please don't forget this particular advice that I give you guys. Please, please, and please, please, and please. So see you guys tomorrow. Love you all and bye for now. That's it.